Hi, I'm Kate Bosch, certified professional organizer, and we're going to talk about gift wrapping today. Some people think it's a total chore, but I spent lots of time in retail wrapping lots of gifts, so I learned how to do it quickly and simply. It doesn't have to be overly complicated with double stick tape and all the fussiness. You can just do a decent job, learn how to do it well and quickly, and it won't be such a chore. So let's show you how I do it. First, you have to gather all your supplies, decent scissors, not crappy scissors, tape, ribbon, and gift wrap. I like good gift wrap because it doesn't tear. Good quality. I love this gift wrap because it has, I don't know if you can see it, has a grid on it, so I can really easily see, line up my present. All right, so here we go. We've got a nice box here, this great puzzle, and I'm gonna lay it out on the paper. And in order to figure out how much I need, the easiest way to do that is to flip the box over. So let's do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's how much I need. Cut a little bit extra. I'm actually going to leave a lot extra, and I'll measure it up. You want about 2 or 3 inches on either end. So I'll cut, leaving a couple of inches on either end. There we go. Flip your box so the upside down. Wrap your paper over. I'm going to wrap it over a little extra because I left it long, so it doesn't matter. And then just fold it here. If you want a really, really, really nice tough, crisp edge, you can fold this over and crease it, but you can also just, if you're laying it out straight enough, you don't have to do that. And just snug it up. Just one piece of tape there. And now for the ends, you want to just fold them, just press this side in, hold it on a flat surface, press that side in, and crease down the bottom and the top. Do the same with the other side. Crease it bottom and top, tuck that little edge under, and now fold the top flap down, bottom up, this is actually the bottom side of the package, one piece of tape. Same on this side. You can even do it all at once, and then it's even faster. Both sides, piece of tape. There you go. It's all done. Put the bow on it. This is what I do to put a bow. It's kind of a modified Tiffany bow, if you've ever seen that, but I find this easier and faster to do because you don't have to pre-measure your ribbon. So take a nice ribbon, leave like some amount of tail, like the amount that you would need to make the bow, and stick it in the center with your thumb. Wrap it around the present, back up to the top. And now do a 90-degree angle like that, and bring it back around and back up to the top. Now you know exactly how much you need because you've left your tail. So measure the tail and just cut your ribbon. You need better scissors. And tuck this end under and around to the other side. Tighten it down. And just one loop. Make a loop, tuck the other one under that loop, tie your bow. You're done.